What if I told you there's an animal walking the earth right now with an immune system so powerful it can survive bacteria that would kill a human within hours, without a single dose of medicine? And the wildest part? It didn't even flinch. Think all crocodilians look the same? Think again. The American alligator split off from its crocodile cousins over 80 million years ago and has been evolving completely on its own ever since. Want to tell them apart? It's actually simple. Close the mouth. An alligator only shows its upper teeth, like it's smirking at you. A crocodile? Both rows blazing, like it wants a fight. Different animals, different rules. And today, this particular alligator is about to face the fight of his life on two fronts. It's late May, deep in the swamp. Mating season is almost over, and time is running out. This male alligator lets out a deep, rumbling bellow that travels nearly 2 kilometers through the water and marsh grass. And it works. A receptive female picks up the signal and begins moving in his direction. But just as things are looking up, a shadow emerges. Bigger, heavier, moving with purpose. A rival male. Now here's the thing. This isn't just a territorial dispute. Alligator fights are not for show. The loser doesn't just walk away embarrassed. He can lose his mating rights or his life. These animals go for blood, and they know it. Our male slaps the water hard, sending up a wall of spray. A classic intimidation move. But the challenger doesn't stop. And here's what makes this even more brutal. The female is watching. From a safe distance. Completely calm. She will only follow the winner. No second chances, no sympathy. Our male has no choice. He fights. After an intense struggle, the challenger backs down. Our male wins. But victory comes with a price. A gash torn open along his neck by the rival's jaws. A little scratch? No big deal, right? Wrong. Dead wrong. This swamp water is a biological minefield. It harbors bacteria so dangerous, they can trigger life-threatening sepsis in humans. And these bacteria don't wait around. They double in population every 20 minutes. Within moments, hundreds of millions of microbes are pouring directly into that open wound. In a human, we're talking high fever, organ failure, and a race to the ER. So what does the alligator do? He drags himself up onto the bank and sunbathes. Before you think he's given up, he hasn't. He's just switched on the most extraordinary biological defense system on the planet. 80 million years of surviving in bacteria-filled swamps didn't just make alligators tough. It made them immunologically elite. Here's what's happening under the scales. First, his macrophages, the immune system's frontline soldiers, immediately swarm the bacteria, each one capable of destroying dozens of invaders at a time. But bacteria reproduce fast. The macrophages alone can't keep up, so the body escalates. His blood releases specialized antimicrobial proteins that act like precision spears, locking onto bacterial cell membranes and punching holes straight through them until the bacteria literally burst apart. Still not enough? The alligator has more. White blood cells flood the area, operating like a coordinated missile strike, launching targeted biochemical attacks at the molecular level, overwhelming bacteria on multiple fronts simultaneously. It doesn't matter what the swamp throws at him. His immune system has an answer for all of it. Here's a question worth thinking about. Scientists have actually studied alligator blood for potential medical applications. Could this animal hold clues to fighting antibiotic-resistant bacteria in humans? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Within just a few hours, the infection is completely neutralized. Total immune victory. Now, with the battle behind him, both battles, our male finally turns his attention back to the female who's been waiting patiently nearby. He fought a rival twice. He defeated an invisible army of billions. And with the mating season nearly over, he earned exactly what he came for. Not bad for a reptile that's barely changed in 80 million years. If you want to see more of nature's most underrated survival machines, hit subscribe. We've got plenty more where this came from.